Wow! Whoa!
As y'all know, Tanya and I really love traveling in our RV, and we always like to find ways to where we can be more comfortable and bring home into our camper. And one of the things that we've grown to love is that we're growing our hydroponic vegetables at home, and now we're able to do it when we go camping with the LetPot portable system.
The LetPot LPHSE is a compact indoor hydroponic growing system that lets you grow plants without soil. Everything grows in water and nutrients, and the system provides the light your plant needs through its built-in grow lights. We like to make things simple and easy, and having a hydroponic system on the go is wonderful because you don't have to worry about campground rules. There's nothing outdoors, so you're not digging, you're not growing anything, you're doing it inside. And it's wonderful because you get your fresh greens, your fresh vegetables, whatever you choose. This is why we're so excited to partner with LetPot to show you our LPHSE hydroponic indoor system. We've been testing this out, and we think it would be a great option for RVers who want fresh herbs and vegetables in their RV. And a lot of you are full-time RVers, so this is another great option that doesn't take up a lot of room where you can get your fresh herbs and vegetables.
If you're not aware of what a hydroponic system is, it's basically a way to grow plants or vegetables without soil. So what this does is it has a tank in the bottom, and you fill it up with water with the plant food, and then it has this light up here, and it's all automated, and it all works through an app on your phone or your iPad, and it basically tells you what you need to do and helps keep track of everything. Everything's automatic, and really all you have to do is keep an eye on the water level, and you just add food to the water as needed. You drop the seeds inside this little cartridge, and it's like a sponge that goes in there, and you can see how this plant is just now starting to sprout, and they drop down in the water. As you can see, as the plants get more mature, they get roots that sit down into the water. The water tank has a pump that circulates the water and puts oxygen in the water so that everything grows nicely. So these are the LED lights, and they're on this little stand, and this stand is adjustable to where you can raise it as your plants start to grow. So you can really get some good sized plants in here. So these plants are about 3 weeks now, so we kind of have it set up kind of low. It's working out really nicely. The plant food, there's an A and a B, and you add 5 milliliters of each one to each liter of water as you add the water to the tank. And this is all available on Amazon. This particular tank holds 5.5 liters of water. So this food will actually last you for quite some time before you're going to have to buy some more.
What we like is that it's simple to set up, doesn't take much space, and can grow things like lettuce, basil, parsley, cilantro, and other herbs that we use while camping.
One feature we really appreciate is the built-in water level float gauge. At a glance, you can see when it's time to add more water, so there's no guessing or constantly checking the reservoir. It's a simple feature that makes the whole process even easier.
So when we got our seedlings, we purchased the lettuce and salad green set, and it's really cute because it comes with a mini garden tool little kit. So it's kind of an all-in-one. You get 10 different seedlings along with your gardening kit, and we like the lettuces. We love to grow our own greens. The nutritional value with the greens is amazing. Some of the things we're growing in here are collard greens, lettuce, different kinds of lettuces, iceberg, kale. We just have a great assortment of greens, collard greens, lots of healthy fresh grown vegetables that are pesticide free. We absolutely love having our hydroponic system that we can take with us.
One thing we really like about the LetPot system is that it's not just a countertop garden. The app lets you manage everything right from your phone, which is especially handy when you're living or traveling in an RV. One feature we really appreciate about the LetPot app is the ability to manually enter exactly what you've planted in each pod location. Instead of trying to remember which seeds went where, you can assign specific plants to individual pod positions right inside the app. Another great feature is the app lets you customize the grow light schedule to match your routine so your plants get the right amount of light at the times that work best for you. The LetPot app has so many wonderful features and helps take the guesswork out of growing your own food. Whether you're a beginner or have experience with hydroponics, the app provides an easy way to monitor and manage your garden right from your phone. For us as RV travelers, it's especially nice to have the level of control and organization wherever we happen to be parked.
So for us, this has been a fun way to bring our love of indoor hydroponic gardening on the go with us. And if you're interested in any of the LetPots or the LetPot LPHSE, we'll leave a link in the description below, and you can go on letpot.com to see all the different options. Check out our discount code right here if you want to purchase your own LetPot to be on the go, fully mobile with a wonderful hydroponic indoor system.